Hi there, welcome to Practice Better. In this video, I will show you how to create a cancellation or rescheduling policy within the system and share it with your clients. Having a policy in place is a great way to ensure clients don't cancel last minute and to reduce your no-shows. Within your cancellation policy, you can give yourself enough time to fill vacant slots, achieve fairness for other interested customers, and to set out clear expectations for your clients. There are a couple of different ways you can set up a cancellation policy. First, go to My Practice, Disclaimers. Here you can set up a policy and attach it to your service by going to My Practice, My Services. Under the Terms and Conditions section, you will see all disclaimers you've set up. Keep in mind, with this option, you cannot collect a client's signature or acknowledgement. If you need a client's signature acknowledgement of your policy, I recommend setting up your policy within a form or waiver. You can manually send the form to your clients or send it via an automation. Or you can attach it directly to your service by clicking the Advanced Options section, navigating down to Booking Page Forms, where you can add up to 3 forms to your service. The benefit of this option is that your clients will need to sign off on the policy as it is required during the booking process. If your clients have access to the client portal, you can't stop them from canceling or rescheduling their session, but you can remove the link to reschedule sessions from appearing in their confirmation and reminder email notifications. To do this, go back to your service information section. Under Booking Options, ensure Include a link to reschedule in confirmation and reminder emails is not selected. If you have Stripe or Square integrated, you can collect a cancellation fee through Practice Better. First, I recommend enabling requiring billing information. To do this, under Advanced Options, under Fee and Taxes, ensure Required Billing Information when clients book the service is enabled. With this functionality, you do not need to chase down your clients to grab their credit card details, as it will be saved during the booking process. This way, if your client breaks your cancellation policy, you can create a manual invoice in your Billing and Payment section and charge the card automatically. Lastly, you can also display a cancellation notice to reiterate your cancellation policy and to deter clients from canceling for unacceptable reasons. To do this, go to My Schedule, Booking and Cancellation Settings, and scroll down to Cancellation Options. Here you can specify the time in which you would like this display message to be displayed to your clients. Now, let's discuss charging a cancellation fee. To do this, go to My Practice, Billing and Payments, click on the red Fast Action button and select Create Invoice, and select your client. Under Item Description, you can select Cancellation Fee and input the amount. If you have your client's card on file, you can go ahead and select Process. If not, you can then send this invoice to your client directly, in which they can pay the invoice. This concludes this video on setting up a cancellation policy. Please check out our Help Center for more information and resources.